All right, here we go. Listen, if you're watching this video right now, you need to understand one thing. And I'm going to tell you what you need to understand. You need to understand that nobody, and I mean nobody, is coming to save you. If you're 25 years old, if you're 20 years old, or you're 30 years old, time is not on your side. I don't care what anybody says. And this is the problem that most people have in their lives. They don't have somebody that tells them that, no, you don't have all the time in the world. Stop partying. Stop going to the clubs. Stop drinking. Stop smoking. Get your life together. Get a good career. Start a business and work hard. Your 20s are supposed to be for you to create something for your future. They're not the time for you to get out and party. They're not the time for you to go out and think that you can, be out here sleeping with all the girls, hanging out with the fellas, and all this stuff. This is the time in your life where you should be figuring out what it is that you want to do. You don't wait until the last minute to do that. And if you are one of those people that says, man, I want to go out and party and do all this stuff, just don't be surprised. And you can't complain if you don't get anywhere in life. Don't tell me you're trying to get out of poverty when every time I call you or I talk to you and I ask you what you're doing, you're like, yeah, I'm playing the game, chilling. Because if you had so much that you needed to do, then why are you chilling so much? And these are the questions that you should be asking yourself. You should be asking yourself these questions. But it's all right. You haven't been, because if you're watching my video, you haven't been asking yourself these questions. So you should. This is me asking you, what are you doing? What are you doing? Who are you hanging around? Because the people you hang around, these are the same type of people that are going to tell you, oh man, don't worry about that. Don't do that. That's impossible. Only rich people do that. Do you know how a lot of rich people get rich? They work hard. They work hard. If you are single, no kids, and have no ambitions in life, but you want to be rich, but you don't really want to put the work in to get there, you need to do some serious thinking. Do some serious thinking. Get up. Get something done. You have no excuses, especially my men, my guys out there that are single, no kids, and no other responsibilities. If you want to get somewhere in life, you should be working 15-hour days, 12-hour days, 15-hour days. Take a day off. Get back to it. There's no reason that somebody in that position shouldn't be anywhere. You shouldn't be broke. Absolutely not. Make the sacrifices, and I'm telling you, once you turn 30, and then once you turn 40, and you've established all this stuff for yourself, you are going to be unimaginably grateful that you did that in your 20s. Think about that. Think about that. Let me know if you're having trouble in the comments below, and we'll be in touch.